Today's topic is inverse function. Now let's look at this function. Function f maps x to x plus 3. So under function f, what happened is that for object x, we add 3 to object x. And we get image x plus 3. Now, for inverse function, what we want to do is, from the image, we want to get back to the object. So how do we do that? Well, we are going to subtract 3 from the image. Then we get back to the object. So this is called inverse function. So if function f is x plus 3, then inverse function f, then it maps x to x minus 3. Okay, so it is minus 3. Let's look at the second one. The second function, function f maps x to 2x plus 3. Now what happened here is, first we multiply x by 2 and then we add 3 to the product. For inverse function, what we want to do is to get from image back to the object. So what we do here is, first we are going to subtract 3 from the image and then divide the answer by 2. Then we get back to the object. So for the inverse function, then the inverse function maps x to, right, first minus 3, so x minus 3. After that, divide the answer by 2. So that is the inverse function. So if we have function f that maps x to y, well, then we write it as fx equal y. Then the inverse function will map y to x. That is, if we have inverse function of y, we will get x.
In the arrow diagram, function f maps x to y. Find the following. A. Function f of 4. The object is 4. Going through function f, and we get the image 5. B. Inverse function f of 5. Here the object is 5. And we reverse the direction of the arrow. And we get 4. Inverse function f of 7. Here the object is 7. And we reverse the direction of the arrow. And we get negative 2. D. Inverse function f of negative 1. Here the object is negative 1. And we reverse the direction of the arrow and we get 0.